Good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore. The tropics have been quiet out there, but we are just over a month from the peak of hurricane season, and it's looking like activity out there is increasing. Right now, we're watching 3 systems, including Tropical Storm Dexter. At this point, none of them is a threat to the Gulf Coast, but we always want to keep you informed. So let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin for your updated tropical outlook tonight. Chris?
Yeah, none of these threatening the tropics. We do have Dexter, and as you said, as we get closer to the peak of the season, it'd be weird if there wasn't anything out in the Atlantic basin as we continue through August. So we do have Tropical Storm Dexter. It was one that had been well forecasted by most of the tropical models, indicating something trying to fire up off the coast of the Carolinas and then eventually just moving out into the open Atlantic, which is what will likely occur with Dexter. Another area, nothing there now, but we're watching for low chance in the next 3 to 7 days of something trying to fire up. Right now, a lot of the models not overly aggressive and more of a kind of a rainmaker, especially into parts of South Carolina, Georgia, and in northern Florida. Something we'll watch for again as it's a little bit closer to us, a more immediate issue, or not even, I hate to say issue or concern, just more of a more attention grabber for right now. And then the other is a wave that is just now moving off of West Africa, does have a 50% chance of developing across much of the main development region of the Atlantic, but as of right now, that too looks like it should stay out over open water. A little bit closer to home, no tropical troubles. We've had a few pop-up showers, a couple of thunderstorms wrapping up around Homa, kind of pushing now to the east of Chauvin. Around the Thibodaux area, had one little shower fire up on the west bank, and I need to kind of move my map here. It looks like it's over Old Jefferson right now. And then also a few showers right along Stennis Space Center, Pearlington in Mississippi, and a couple over the Pearl River Basin. Coming up, though, the next couple of days, relatively dry. We'll see a few pop-up showers, but near normal temperatures and not overly high humidity values, which means our heat indices are not into those triple-digit readings. We'll talk more about why that is in a few minutes.
We'll take any relief we can get.
We can get.
Yeah, thanks, Chris.